Hey there, math fans, Dr. Andy Lovelace. I've been discussing contour maps in recent videos, and I'm about to give a lecture on it in my class. As I've been doing that, I've been coming up with some interesting 3D curves that have some fun-looking contours. And then I thought I would add some theatrical value to it. So here we go. Let's study the curve we get when we drop this pebble in this tank of water. So here we go. We're going to drop this in here. Let's see what happens when it hits the water. Just adding some theatrical value here. Here we go. It hit. Ooh. I then made the water disappear, of course. It's this little ripple. So this little rippling shape. Oop, the pebble's still there. The magic trick is gone. It's basically the cosine curve there, just with the input being the distance from the origin. So cosine of the square root of x squared plus y squared, if you're curious. But the contour of that's sort of interesting because you can see it's pretty steep on these edges, and then it gets to the top. You have to be careful how you choose your spacing of values. But let me show it to you. So I'm going to put it up here. Here's what it looks like from above. Let's get rid of the surface. It's very dense in these steep areas. At the tops and bottoms of each cosine wave, it's a little less steep. If I tilt it over, you can actually see it. I'm just having fun making these shapes. Hope that's sort of interesting. So there we go. There it is. There's that ripple. And then I'm going to send, let's zoom way in. Let's send all those pieces to the ground. Thunk, 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 thunk. Sound effects are free. So again, we've talked about in the previous videos that if you, the pebble's still there. If you, the lines are close together in your contour map, that tends to mean it's steep there. Anyways, I thought that was sort of fun. One more time. Let's back it up. Let's get rid of this. Let's see if it still works. Dropping it in. Here it comes. Oh man. Let's ripple. All right. Thanks for watching.